Hello student, today we will start chapter 5 arithmetic progression. Sum number 1 and 2 introduction. What is arithmetic progression? Short form AP. An AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term called AP. For example, let the terms are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on. First term is 2. When we add 2, it becomes 4. Again 2, it becomes 6. Again we will add 2, it becomes 8. Then again 2, it becomes 10 and so on. This fixed number is called D, that is common difference, denoted by small d. A1 2 first term, second term A2 that is 4, third term A3 that is 6 up to so on, or last term we can say AN, or we can write it as L also. Remember, this first term can be positive, negative and a 0. First term can be positive, negative or a 0. To find any of term from the AP, the formula is AN, where A plus N minus 1D. AN is term, A first term, N number of term, D is common difference. On the basis of this formula, we will do exercise 5.1 and 2. Now, here are some situations in exercise 5.1, sum number 1, in which we have to find out, is this situation make an arithmetic progression? If D same, if common difference same, then situation form AP, otherwise not. Now let me check. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Fare for first kilometer is rupees 15. Fare for second kilometer, 15 plus 8 makes 23. For third kilometer, 23 plus 8 makes 31. Because for each additional kilometer, rupees 8. Fare for 4 kilometers, that is 31 plus 8, 39. Here terms are 15, 23, 31, 39 and so on. See here D, 8, 8, 8. When we subtract 23 minus 15 means to say A2 minus A1, we have 8. Next D1, 31 minus 23 means to say A3 minus A2, that is also 8. Next to D, 39 minus 31, A4 minus A3, also 8. Here D is same, that's why given situation form AP. Now the next is part second. The amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Let air present in cylinder X removes air 1/4 of X. Remaining air in the cylinder X minus X by 4 makes 3x by 4 by taking LCM. Now air removes again 1/4 of 3x by 4. It makes 3x by 16. Now air present in the cylinder, that is 3x by 4 minus 3x by 16 LCM, we have 9x by 16. A1, A2, A3. Terms are, now find D. 3x by 4 minus x. We have minus x by 4. Next D. 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4. We have minus 3x by 4. Here D is not same. That's why given situation not form AP. Next is part third. The cost of digging a well after every meters of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Same as part first. Cost of digging for per kilometer rupees 150. Cost of digging for 2 kilometers 150 plus 50 rupees 200. For 3 kilometers rupees 250. For 4 kilometers rupees 300. Now terms are 150, 200, 250, 300 and so on. Here D is same, 50, 50, 50. So given situation form AP. AP, arithmetic progression, in which each term can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Here fixed number is 50. Now we comes to next part, fourth. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Principal 10,000, rate 8%, time 1 year. Amount for first year, that is principal into 1 plus rate by 100 power time. Amount for second year, amount for third year, terms are, now we will find D, A2 minus A1, take common 10,000 and 1 plus 8 by 100 power 1, remaining from here only 1, cancel. We have D1. Similarly, when we find D2, we have here D is not same, that's why given situation not form AP. Sum number 2. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term is A and the common difference D are given as follows. We have to find first 4 term, A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is A, that is 10. A2, A plus formula n minus 1D where n is 2 minus 1D. A plus D, 10 plus 10 makes 20. A plus 3 minus 1 2, 2D. A is 10, 2 into 10 makes 30. A4, we can write it as A plus 4 minus 1, 3D. We have 40. Part second, A minus 2, D0. A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is A, that is minus 2. A2, A plus D. A3, A plus 2D. Simple putting and solving. When we multiply any number by 0, we got 0. A4, A plus 3D. We have also minus 2. Now the next is part third. A4, D3. A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is A, that is 4. A2, A plus D. 4 plus 3, 7. A3, A plus 2D. Makes 10. A4, A plus 3D by using formula A plus n minus 1D. A4, 3 same, D is 3. It makes 13. Hence, terms are 4, 7, 10, 13. Fourth part. A minus 1, D 1 by 2. To find A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is A minus 1, A2 A plus D, it makes minus 1 by 2, A plus 2D makes 0, A plus 3D take LCM, we have 1 by 2, hence terms are minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Answer. Next and last, fifth part of this video. A is minus 1.25, D is minus 0.25. A1, that is A 1.25, A2 A plus D makes open the bracket, minus minus plus, we have minus 1.5. A3 A plus 2D, simple putting, after adding we have minus 1.75. A4 A plus 3D, that is minus 2, hence terms are thank you.